Hi, my name is Maria Marin. I am a member of Team 4. Now, in the previous video, you learned how to set up a Google Hangout. In this video, I want to get more specific with the tools available within Google Hangout once you do start one. First window that always pops up is going to be the link to share this with people who want to view the Google Hangout. And then you would also be able to invite specific people to participate in the Google Hangout. I'm going to do this one by myself, so I'm going to close this window. So this is our main screen. The first thing you notice is the three icons at the very top. The first one is to invite people, and if you click on that, it's just going to show you the same window we saw when we first logged in to the Google Hangout. The second one controls the microphone. So there's a lot of background noise or you're having a hard time hearing each other through the echo, then you have the option to turn off your microphone to help each other, help you listen or, be able to hear each other a lot better. The third icon is the camera. So if maybe you're in an area that doesn't have a strong internet connection and you want to reduce the bandwidth that you're using, then you can just turn off the camera and get a better service. And the last one, or the fourth icon, once again, also helps you with service, how much the quality of the video or the quality of the conversation that you're recording. The fifth icon looks like a little wheel with gears on it. If you click on this icon, it gives you the option to set up the microphone, the camera, and to set up the speakers if you have speakers. So my computer happens to have both of these, the microphone, and the speakers and the camera already built in. But if I didn't, then I could click on it and then scroll through the list and pick the options that I want. So I'm just going to go ahead and press cancel. And the last option gives you the option of leaving the conversation or hanging up. If one person leaves the conversation but other people are still online, then nothing is affected. They can continue on without you. Okay, so on the left hand side, you're going to see some icons, and these are links to the applications within Google Hangout. One of my favorite is the chat. The chat is going to appear on the right hand side, and you can start a conversation. They will not do it right now because I'm just by myself, but if I had other people, then I could chat with them. You could also share links. If you find a very good website and you want them to see it, then you would type it in right here on the side, and you can, on the bottom right hand side, you can also respond back. Or maybe that's okay. This is where I would do it. And then, as you can see, it's up there. And I believe it also has little faces if you want to add. Okay. The other option that I would like to share with you is the Google Drive. Google Drive are documents that you can save online or on the cloud, and I'm going to use this one, Team 4 Review 2. And if I select it, so right now I'm the only person who can see this screen, who can see this document. And if I want the people on the Google Hangouts to be able to see it, then I would just do screen share. And there's several options. The first one, you can share the whole entire desktop, and the other windows are going to be whatever windows you have open. So I'm going to go ahead and just click the window for Google Hangouts. So I'll start the share. And now everyone can see this, and if I scroll through it, then on their screens they should be able to see me scrolling. Alright, so say we had a very great conversation, there was a very great image or something that someone made, and you want to save it, to use it later or to recall, use it for notes later. You could also do capture an image. So it would just take a picture. Sorry about that, my computer doesn't seem to like to take pictures, but ideally it would take a picture of it and then you can save it and use it for later. if you click on these three little dots, you're going to be able to see other applications. And then you just click Add Apps. There's some games. There is this one called Symphonical, which is a digital whiteboard with sticky notes. So it'd be good for collaboration, group work. Okay. It also has some very fun effects with Google Effects. You can, I'm going to take off the screen share for a second. Oh, I think it already did. Okay. I don't know if I mentioned it already or not, but anytime you click on an app and you don't want to use it anymore, just click on it again on the left hand side and it should disappear. But this one's pretty interesting. You can add hats to people if you want, make me a clown, or perhaps a pirate. And it's just fun, silly ways of hanging out on Google Hangouts. Let me see if I can take all of this off. I go over here to the left hand side. I find it, which is right here, Google Effects. And if I click on it, I should take this off. Okay, let me try. Okay, there we go. We can take it off, have a serious conversation. Okay, so if you do not want to see a certain person on your screen, you can click at the very bottom right hand side. You're going to see people's names. You just click on a name and the person will disappear from your screen. So I can either click on my face right here and I appear, and then click on it again and I just go down to minimize screen. YouTube is also another important tool that you're welcome to use. Some things to remember: everyone sees the same video and playlist, so adding and skipping videos will affect everyone. Only you see your search queries and results. Okay, so that's just something to keep in mind. But like I said, this is a great way to just share and make sure that everyone is viewing the correct video or the exact same one for your projects. So I hope this was helpful. You are welcome to replay this over and over, and I hope that you pass the quiz. Remember, you have to have 90% in order to pass. Thank you.